guys, welcome back to Rainbow Brush with me today, Simon. Today we're drawing funky flower t-shirts, that's right. T-shirts with funky flowers on. The beauty of today is that we're going to draw 6 items, 6 t-shirts, nearly identical. We're going to draw 6 flowers, nearly identical, so you get lots of practice on today on how to draw flowers, but not just normal flowers, really cool, funky flowers. So look what we're doing there. We're drawing some happy faces on the flowers. Got a little pot at the bottom, 2 little leaves sprouting from the bottom of the stem, and then a really cool, flowery, happy face with big eyes and some cool, funky antenna-style hair. The beauty of doing this 6 times is 1, you'll become an expert, an absolute expert at drawing flowers, funky flowers. It's the colours that we're going to colour them that's going to make these super cool. We've got big eyes. Look what we do with the eyes there, because initially they don't look like eyes, but they are. They're funky eyes. Yay! Don't forget to follow the Rainbow Brush channel on YouTube, and also you can keep up to date with what's going on with us on Facebook. You can like our Facebook page. If you don't feel too confident when you're drawing things for the first time, you can always choose to use a pencil. We suggest just something with a light lead pencil, maybe a 2B pencil. Pencils come in different numbers, so you could get yourself a little 2B pencil because they're quite easy to rub out. Very easy to draw with a pencil. And then when you're happy with the drawing, your outline, you then go over it with a black marker pen like we're doing now. We're going around the edge with a black marker pen. We use a thicker marker pen at the end, because then when we've used a thicker marker pen, what happens is it allows you to, when you colour in all your colours, it allows you to just overlap into the black without it smudging. It makes it much easier so that you don't cross the lines. That's the hardest thing when colouring, is making sure that all your colours stay within the lines. Beautiful. So look what we're doing here now. We've obviously sped this up for you. We've drawn 6 t-shirts with flowers on, all the same, or all as close as we can get for you. And then it's the colouring in that's going to make these all a little bit different. But if you look, it's a little bit more intricate, the colouring in, because you've got to go around things like the hair, you've got to go on the eyes, you've got to colour the tiny leaves in at the bottom of the stems too. So the first t-shirt, we've coloured in pink with a green face and a blue pot. Let's go for a blue t-shirt now, shall we? Now, because we've coloured a blue t-shirt in, we're not going to go with a blue pot because those 2 colours will clash. We'll draw a nice yellow face on this fella here. He's got a face like a banana. What colours are bananas? Bananas are yellow. Well done. Colour a little hair in pink. There's little pink, cool, funky hair. Pink leaves on this one. Why not? It's your drawing. You can do whatever you want. If you feel really cool when you've drawn this and you like any particular drawing that you've done, why not ask your parents if you can pop to the local hobby shop? You can buy paints and transfers that you could actually transfer onto a proper t-shirt. If you've got a plain white t-shirt somewhere that you want to jazz up a bit and make it look a bit more special for you, a bit more wonderful, a bit more wow, you can buy special paints from the hobby shop. Make sure you speak to an adult first though. Take mum or dad with you when you go. Buy some stencils that'll work well on material and make yourself some cool t-shirts. Everyone, a very bright different colour. Do you know why a t-shirt's called a t-shirt? It's all to do with the shape, because if you look at it, it looks like a capital letter T, doesn't it? With a long stick and then a bar across the top. That's where t-shirt gets its original name from. Because it originally started to look like a t-shirt. Used to be a long sleeved, and then as the summers came and it got a bit warm, what they did, they cut the sleeves off so it looked like a letter T. Did you know that? If you didn't know that, you do know that now. You can wow your friends with that in the school playground and blow their socks off. Unless, of course, they're not wearing socks, then you can't blow their socks off. If you haven't liked our page yet on YouTube, You'll see the little subscribe button on YouTube just underneath the video here. You can click subscribe and you can subscribe to all the rainbow brush videos we've got. We've got tons and tons of videos for you showing you how to draw everything from 80s tech to tools to plant pots and t-shirts. Peppa Pig's on there too.
Hello, Peppa. You can learn how to draw Peppa Pig.
So my favourite impressions, Father Pig.
He's an expert at drawing t-shirts, you know.
Cool. Don't forget, it's your drawing when you've drawn your t-shirts and your flowers. You can colour these in whatever colour you want. If you don't have a colour that we're using, pick any bright colour. The brighter the better. Make you look beautiful. Got one more left to do after this one. Do a nice bright pink here. This is more like a cerise pink. Green leaves there. Final t-shirt, won't this one look nice and cute for you? Nice bright colour red t-shirt. What's your favourite colour for a t-shirt? Everybody's got a favourite t-shirt. What's your favourite t-shirt? Has it got somebody on it? Has it got a face on it? Has it got writing on it? Don't forget to try and make your own. Use the designs that you've got here on the t-shirt patterns and the flower patterns, funky flowers. How cool do they look? Look at that, 6 cool funky flower t-shirts. That's brilliant. Wow. All complete. Have a go at those. Show your family and friends. Sit down with your friends. Get the colouring books out, get the plain paper out, get the crayons out, get the pencils out. Have a go. That's it from Rainbow Brush today on Funky Flower T-shirts. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.